Hey guys, it's time for the monthly market report looking back to April 2021, and we're going to do this one just a little bit different. What are we going to do different? Well, I'll tell you what, because last year we were really in the biggest slump of COVID, we're not going to look at year over year statistics. We're going to look at April 2021 compared to March and just see how things are currently moving along. If we looked all the way back to last year, the numbers would be astronomical because of how low the activity was due to the lockdown. I'm Tim Higham with RE/MAX Core Realty here in Prince George. I want to take about 2 minutes and give you the market update, so let's jump right into it. I'll be looking at statistics for detached houses within the city limits. Sales, we had 107 in April compared to 112 in March, a decline of 4%, but still both really active months. Active listings, we had 187. That was up from 145 in March, up 29%. New listings, 166 compared to 165 in March. Supply, currently sitting at 2.2 months for April. It was at 1.8 months in March. So supply is climbing up a little bit. Median days on market, we're looking at 18. That's up from 15 in March, change of 20%, but both fairly similar. Percent of original price, we had 101.8% in April compared to 100.8% in March. So we're almost at 102% for the average price compared to list price. It's getting pretty high. Price per square foot sitting at $204, breaking that $200 price point. In March, we were at $199, so up 2.5% there. Average sales price in April was $475,000. That's up from $457K in March, an increase of 3.9%. Really, biggest change we see is right now, supply is coming up a little bit. Prices are holding strong. What will happen? I guess we'll have to see how much supply comes up and if activity dwindles any in the future. But thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, I'd love to connect with you and help you find out how you can buy, sell, whatever. No, that wasn't very good. Biggest changes we're looking at right now, really with supply coming up a little bit. We'll see what happens in the future and keep track of it. Are we going to be changing from how crazy the market is to slowing down a bit? I guess we'll see. If you have any questions, please connect with me. I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.